Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your wireless controller on your PlayStation 5. Maybe your controller is causing issues and just reconnecting it will indeed fix that. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and then go to Settings. Then what we want to do is scroll on down until we get to Accessories. Then go to General and go to Bluetooth Accessories. Then you can choose your wireless controller on here. So I can choose the one I'm currently using, and I want to go to where it says delete, and this will remove it from our PlayStation 5. If we go to the disconnect option on here, it's simply going to turn off the controller. So we want to forget the device. So let's go on over to OK and completely forget this. Now I can't use my controller on here anymore because I forgot it. If I press the PlayStation button, it says cannot connect this device. So we need to use a USB cable, or we have to register it again. So what we could do is we can use like our TV remote, and we can place the controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode, just like this. Hold down the PlayStation button and the share button. It's flashing, and I am going to select my wireless controller right here, and I'm going to go ahead and repair it and reconnect it right here. And now I can use my controller again. It's registered. So that is how you can easily disconnect, forget a device on your PlayStation 5. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.